Crowdfunding is equity. Crowdfunding is a method of raising funds from a large amount of people in a small checks. Small checks, it's a popular way to invest in startups globally, with probably the highest adoption in the United States. However, crowdfunding culture is growing worldwide, attracting more investors each year. Vunder is a well-known American investment pro platform, one of the best and probably most popular, where anyone can become a shareholders in startups. We just wish to involve our community in the growth of Cassett Corporation and Slate Social crypto platform crowdfunding gives everyone an opportunity to own a share of our company. Not just Token, for example, we founder, is a perfect for this as it's allow people from almost every country to join the campaign. Funds can be transferred from everyday credit card. Our primary goal was to create a minimum viable product first. We were able to do this by raising funds with our token sales, and now Slate is available in Google Play App Store and simply in web. At the same time, building a social crypto platform further is a complex process that requires more professional developers and an extended marketing team. Now that our product has proven its value and functionality, we are ready to move to the next stage, raising more funds, developing and scaling up faster. Quite simple, we are growing and evolving quite fast. Slate currently has over 6 users, and this number is constantly increasing. Digital Gria and Digital Euro in European Union are coming quite soon, and these are not just my word. This is information from officials from Ukraine and the European Union. So time is coming to kind of exit stealth mode, raise more funds, develop and scale up faster. We have plans to enter new markets and board more influencers, secure kind of future token listings on exchanges, but build partnerships. So now I think it's a perfect moment. Currently, we are in kind of friends invest first funding round, which means that the project is not promoted by Vunder and participation is a bit limited. Those who re-register on Vunder and follow the provided link have a unique opportunity to reserve their spot for the upcoming crowdfunding campaign. You need to select the investment amount, minimum dollar or more, enter your bank card details and make a test payment. The funds will be immediately refunded and your spot will be reserved once the campaign officially launched. You will receive an email notification to complete your investment. Cadre Corporation offers simple agreement for future equity. Safe investment, which is a contract between an investor and a startup company. You invest money now and receive company shares later during the next official funding round. Safe is a simple and fast way to invest without complex legal procedures and with a very small checks like dollar or even a bit more. Early investors receive more than those who invest later. You get shares at a lower price than future investors. If the company is valued at millions, you'll receive shares as if the company was val at millions, doubling the shares compared to the future. You join the project at a very early stage, offering high potential returns as the company grows. However, keep in mind that not all startups reach the stage of share conversion, so it's essential to perform your own research and due diligence. We have proven that we are not a project that promises but fails to deliver. We have come a 5 years long way to reach our current stage and confident in our future development possibilities. Additionally, Slate is the first social network on Stellar Distributed Ledger, ready for CBDC's launches. CBDCs will drive mass adoption of blockchain technology. We have been preparing for this for years and will integrate digital currencies into Slate as soon as they are launched, becoming the first social network in the world. With CBDCs on board, we aim to become a global brand, and we are confident that we will achieve this. We plan to expand our audience launch, new features. A lot of them invite more influencers on board, enhance the Slate applications, launch premium subscriptions, develop the ecosystem further, including our own launchpad, everything required to scale up faster. So encourage you to participate. Thanks a lot for watching. We are looking forward to see you on Vunder and in the Slate social crypto platform. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye.